Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to delete your workplace on Facebook. If you've recently changed jobs or simply want to keep your work information private, you'll find this guide super helpful. We've got an updated method that's quick and easy to follow, so let's jump right in. First things first, open up the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're in, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. That's your menu button. Go ahead and tap it. Now, you'll want to navigate to your profile. It should be one of the first options you see, usually with your profile picture next to it. Give that a tap. On your profile page, you'll see an Edit Profile button. Tap that, and then look for the Edit Details option. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down until you find the Work section. See that little pencil icon next to your current workplace? That's your Edit button. Go ahead and tap it. Here's the crucial step. Next to your workplace name, you'll see a small X. Tap that X, and poof, your workplace will disappear. But don't forget to hit save, or your changes won't stick. And there you have it. Your workplace information is now removed from your Facebook profile. It's that simple. Remember, keeping your profile up to date is important, especially when it comes to work-related info. Whether you're starting a new job, taking a career break, or just prefer to keep things private, now you know how to manage your workplace details on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. See you in the next video.